Hi guys. Okay, so I'm afraid I'm not going to make it to the meeting tonight. So, just in case, I am recording what I wanted to be able to tell you guys. My daughter has a band concert tonight, and they're having food trucks and all kinds of stuff after the band concert. So, I'm a little worried that I'm not going to make it home in time. But one of the things that I really don't even know where I saw this, to be honest with you. Um, I saw another leader was doing it somewhere, and I kind of edited it and adapted it to what I wanted to do in my customer group. But this month, or really the end of February, is the first time that I'm even trying it. So I can't even really tell you if it's going to work yet or not. But just to kind of give you an idea of something that I'm trying out in my customer group, I'm going to do it. I'm calling it finishing feature. I played around with like 100 different words to call it. But basically, I'm going to end the month each month featuring a certain product. And I'm going to do it over the course of a couple days. So the way that I did it, we just ended February. So the way that I did it this time around was on Saturday in the morning. And I'm really intentional about the times that I posted it. But Saturday in the morning, I posted a picture. And obviously, this month's finishing feature for me is the Enviro wand. And I picked this one because I haven't really talked about the Enviro wand that much. So I wanted to feature a product that I knew they would want, frankly, and an easy one, kind of. So I picked this one just to start it off and see how it went. So Saturday morning, I basically posted a picture. It wasn't this one, but I posted a picture of the Enviro wand and said, who has one of these? Tell me why you love it. If you don't have it, tell me why you need it. And, you know, comments will get you entered into the drawing that I'm doing next week, right? I didn't really tell them a whole lot of stuff. I basically said, I'm rolling out this new thing. I'm going to try it this month and see how it goes. So comment below, whatever, right? And I had a ton of people that commented and said, I have one and this is why I use it. Or I want one of those for my fans or whatever, And I made sure that I went through and commented after each of their comments because that upped the algorithm on Facebook and kind of brought it to more people's attention. And then Sunday night at like 7:30, 8 o'clock, I posted this picture. And in this picture, along with a little caption that just said, here's the price, here's the description. Quit doing that. Here's why I like it. Here's a video about it. Comment to get an extra entry into the giveaway for next week, or you can buy one here and also get entered into the giveaway. And I think I'm going to add in there, I haven't yet, but I think I'm going to add in there that if they book a party to get theirs for free, then they get more entries. So I think I'm still kind of playing around with this, but I think I'm going to say like comments get you 1 entry, ordering an Enviro wand gets you 2 entries, and booking a party might get you 3 entries. That I haven't worked out yet. And then, I had a bunch of people, not as many people comment on the one Sunday night, but they were liking it. So I could tell that it was still kind of showing up for them. And then last night, so Monday night, I went live with one at my house and I had the same description, but I just said, let's go live. This is a way for me to keep my teaching going. So I do a lot of teaching in my workshops, but this is a way for our lessons to continue, right? And so then I just I walked around. By the way, my house is a construction zone right now because we are redoing literally the whole upstairs. So I walked around and I was like, I can go over this beam, I can do this light fixture, I can do this fan, I can do these blinds. Like, I just basically showed off all the ways in my house that I would use the Enviro wand. And I did it live. So people were commenting, oh my gosh, I think I need that. And I was like, yes, you do, stuff like that. This morning, so I kind of go morning, night, but this morning, it's Tip Tuesday in my customer group. So my Tip Tuesday was the Enviro wand. So I will always pair my tip with whatever product I'm featuring on the week that I'm featuring it. Tomorrow I will post like a last chance, get your order in something. And then Thursday, I'm going to go live again to do a giveaway. So, and then I'll need to pick another product for March. But I don't know necessarily how much it will generate because obviously this is my first one. But I wanted you guys to kind of see, this is good. It's the same thing. It just says last chance. This is the one that's going to go live tomorrow morning. Actually tomorrow night. So basically it's like, hey, order before Thursday if you want your chance to go in the giveaway. And you guys can edit this honestly to whatever you want it to be. You don't have to do it over several days. You could just feature one product. You could not do this at all. I just felt like I needed something to continue with. Do you know what I mean? Like I needed something to continually engage my repeat customers to where they're continually learning something. So I just figured I'm going to pick one product a month. I will probably, moving forward, the products that I pick will probably be either part of the customer special or part of the customer special for the following month. Either customer special, spend and get, warehouse sale, something. You know, I'll pick something off of one of those. This one I didn't do because I really just wanted to use the EnviroWand, whether it was on sale or not, because it was my first one, and I think that's worth having. But I did have a lot of like veteran customers who don't have that yet. So I do think that it will generate some orders. It just hasn't. I mean, obviously I'm still in the middle of it, so I don't know. But that's what I wanted to talk about tonight and kind of bring and share what I'm trying. And if it works, I'll let you guys know. And if it doesn't work, then I'll quit doing it. But right now, that's where I am. So I hope this helped you. I'm hoping that I'm doing this again live tonight instead of the video. But just in case I'm not there, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.